How can a lawyer gain more clients? Advocate and client, they are the part and parcel to each other in the legal profession. An advocate, he might be the best with the knowledge of legal acumen, but it is not possible to survive without clients. Or you can say it is not possible to practice without clients. So, following are the ways in which you can get a client as an advocate. Friends, family, and relatives will be the first referral to get a client for an advocate. You will become the first option they will refer if one of their friends or someone who needs an advocate. It is very essential to keep them updated about your activities through call or email on a regular basis. Now, moving to the second point, join the bar association of your court. For an advocate, it is the place that will help you in making connections and building relationships. So here you will build relations with other advocate and they will get to know about you as well as your work and what are your abilities in the profession. So it plays a very important role and eventually this will lead you to get mutual exchange of clients at all the times. Third is public speaking, events, conferences and meetups. Advocate and client, they have a fiduciary relationship which is built on trust. It is very important that client have a trust in you. For this, credibility must be established. Public speaking is one good way to represent your credibility. Attending events, meetups, it provides you an opportunity to find a client. So, having patience and being a good listener, these are the very important two qualities of an advocate which attracts the client. Client, they often look for such qualities when they hire an advocate. Fourth one is social media. A powerful tool like social media websites like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, it plays a very important role for an advocate in the promotion of practice and in getting clients. An advocate should create his or her social media account with a well description of profile in order to reach out to maximum people. Always keep updating and entertaining your contact list with different discussions, debates, and suggestions. Online marketplaces and platforms. Advocates like other professionals, they are free to advertise their services on internet. So the advocates they can mention in their chosen website their names, telephone numbers, email ID, professional qualification, their area of specialization. So in this they can adopt a custom email ID with a custom domain name and a very basic website and send this to all their contacts announcing that you are open for hiring. Next one is SEO, search engine optimization. So, this is basically a process of technique and strategies in which the number of the visitors are increased to a website by using a high ranking in the list of the results of a search engine. So, it is very preferable for an advocate to get in top search of the list, but it could be expensive sometimes. And next one is blogging, content writing. So blogging is one of the cheapest way to market yourself and attract the potential clients. Research is the very first step in the legal profession. An advocate, he must focus on his legal writing skills and publishing the articles. Upload free contents and basic information to the answer the queries of the potential clients, answering a series of questions that your client may ask and block them out. Upload your videos of explaining the very basic concept of laws which concerns different subjects of law, discussing any contemporary issue, etc. So, when you keep a review or a discussion forum on your blogs for better suggestion, the client will be attracted towards it. Next one is creating online legal advice services. In the growing world of technology and internet, the clients mostly look for legal solutions online. So making good use of free advertising tools that are available on the internet will help you. Ensure that you have a good profile on Google My Business so that people can find your firm and when they are looking for lawyers in your locality, they will get to know about you. So make good use of Google AdWords to enhance your advertising efforts. These might seem like simple things, but they can go a long way in helping you to find your new clients. The next point is commitment to your profession. Ethics and morality for the legal profession are very important. Everyone's ideas, opinions, they must be respected. So clear with your commitments to your clients. Maintain a very good relationship with them as they are the best referral for an advocate.